To create a Windows-based project in Visual Studio, click on Create Project, and next, when you are getting this window, type Windows Form App with .NET Framework. So when you're typing it, you will be getting recommendation. So you can see your Windows application form with .NET are having two options, and as you have to be careful selecting Visual Basics. If you're working on C#, you can select C#. And here project name. You can give any project name, and here I'm going to give it as test project. So once that is done, create the project. Your tools will be created, and this is how it will look: your form, your tools, your property, and solution explorer. I'm going to take button and a text. So first I will take a button by double clicking it or drag and drop. So once that is done, I'll place it on the form wherever I require it, and then I'll go to the property window. In the text, I will right click here. So whatever we are going to write in the property text, that will be appearing on the button. Once that is done, I also need to change the button name. By default, it will be button 1. If it is button 2, then it is button 2. So I will search for the name in the property window, and once that is found, as you can see, button 1 is the name. So here I will change btn click here, that is button click here has the name. Once that is done, I will double click in the tools box for label. So tools box will give me a label. I will drag it again and design it according to the form, and here again I want the text to be appearing it as output or anything as you wish. Even you can leave it empty also, so there will be no problem with it. So once I had finished my designing, I will double click on the button so that I would go to form1.vb design, that is the page where we could design our coding. So here the code button click here is the button name which we had given. It is the sub module. Now here what the button should do when I'm clicking on is what I'm going to write. So it should change the text of the label 1. So label 1 dot text will be called, and it will be assigned to a string what it should be changed once the button is clicked. So I will put it into the double quotes hello string. So anything that should be appearing without any change should be put into double string. So into the double string I will be placing hello world. So once it is being placed, I can compile and start executing my program. So this is a very simple program to start how the tools box and the form design works. So let's check out the output. The output will be having a button and a text, where by default the text in the label will be output. So once the button is being clicked, the text on the same label will be changed. So let's see here. Click here. When the button click here is being clicked, we will see the change. So when it is clicked, hello world is being given as the output.